Hello everyone, this is Raman and today we will discuss about the jQuery mouse events. I'm sorry. So in this event, these are the mouse events when the mouse is moving over the control or moving out of the control, and when we mouse down or mouse up. So to demonstrate this mouse event, I have same example as we are having for the change event. So I have two text boxes. One is course and one is fees. So let's go to our jQuery. This is our document.ready. Now I need to search all the input text element. So I'll say input colon text, and I want to apply the mouse. Let's start with the mouse over. So in this method, I just want to write dollar this dot value mouse over event is fire. So I'm just writing this text. So let's see mouse over and mouse out. So here I would say mouse the out event is fired. So let's run it. Okay, there is something wrong here. So mouse over, and when I mouse out, so I'm out means when a lost focus happen, and mouse over means when on focus happens. So you can see mouse out and mouse over event is getting fired. So let's move to some more events. So let us see. There is one mouse down event. So this event is fired when we click, so that mouse down, and when we release the mouse button, then mouse up event is fired. Okay, so let us see. So mouse over, when I click it, when I release the mouse now, so mouse up event is fired. Same with mouse over. Now I'm pressing the left button of the mouse, so mouse down event is fired, and when I release, mouse up event is fired. And there is one more event which is called mouse enter event. So to demonstrate, because there is a difference between mouse enter and mouse over. So for example, I have a div element here, and this div element is having a span, and span name is, say, instead of txt div, I say span div. So span is the child element of the div. So what I want to do, As soon as my mouse enter to the div element, then mouse enter event is called. And when it visit to the child, then mouse over event is called. So mean to say first your mouse enter is called, then mouse over is called. So let us see this. So what I want to do, I have div element here. So hash div1. So we'll search this element and I want to apply a mouse enter event. Okay. So in mouse enter event, what I'm doing here, I'm saying that okay, so let's take one variable here in document.ready. So say where count equals to 0. Okay, and here what I'm saying, count equals to or count plus plus. Right, so I'm increasing the value by 1. Now when the mouse over event called, of that div element, I'm saying not to increase the value of count but to display. So where to display? To display to in the span. So we have the name as span div. We'll take this. So hash span div dot text and I'm putting count. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here, I want to demonstrate that when the mouse it enters to the mouse, it will increase the value of count. And now when the mouse over is called, it will display that count value. Because it happens so fast, we cannot differentiate that this is enter event is called or mouse event is called. So let us see this. Okay, so this is our div. Now you can see the value of count is 1. Now let me write in that way. Count equals to count. So it says count equals to 1. Okay, now I'm going again, count equals to. So every time mouse enter calls, but to see, and also you can see that count equals to 4 it is printing. So that I have written in the mouse over. So printing is in mouse over, so mouse over is getting called, right? And count plus plus is called every time when the mouse enter event is called. And if you want to increase the value here also, so let's increase the value. Now it will be increased 2 times. So now here you can see 2, 4, 6, but first the enter event is called, and as soon as it go mouse move over the child element, then the mouse over event is called. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.